Let's review the grading center. The grading center is crucial, and we can download an Excel file. I recommend doing this monthly. Assignment and test activities, so download a copy. Go to offline work and click download. Leave options as they are. To take the complete grading center, press submit, then click download. Here's the Excel copy. Open it to review. This practice is recommended monthly. Assignment and test activities, so download a copy. Go to offline work and click download. Leave options as they are. To take the complete grading center, press submit, then click download. Here's the Excel copy. Open it to review. This copy shows students' data, IDs, scores, and grades. I downloaded the entire grading center, so if issues arise, I have a backup. I leave the options as they are because I want to take the complete grading center. I click on the submit button, and then here I click on the download button to get a copy. Here's the Excel copy, and as you can see, I open it from here to show you that I have taken a copy from the grading center. I open this copy to review it completely. Now let's open the copy. First, let's see what the copy contains. It shows me the students' data, their university IDs, the total scores, the grades for the first assignment, the grades for the second assignment, and the test scores. I have downloaded the entire grading center here, so if any issues arise in the grading center, I will have a backup copy of it. I open the copy, and first, let's see what the copy contains. It shows me the students' data, their university IDs, the total scores, the grades for the first assignment, the grades for the second assignment, and the test scores. I have downloaded the entire grading center here, so if any issues arise in the grading center, I will have a backup copy of it. This copy is beneficial because it also includes the name of the grading center. The advantage of this copy is that it also includes the name of the grading center. Its name is GC. Okay? It also shows that the semester is 441. The course name or course code is CS101. I also brought the department number, and he brought it too. The date and time when I downloaded the copy was December 7, 2022 at 6:36:54. This is the name of the grading center. When I open the grading center, I use it as an Excel file. I want it on the right. I want the page right to left, so I go to the page layout menu and find an option called Sheet Right to Left. Clicking it moves names right. All columns shift right to left. If any column has unclear data, like this, the username should be a university ID, and this format is incorrect. What to do? I click on that separator. I am the leg, and I am completely prepared, meaning that I have here the names. The column of names here is on the left. So I want to move it to the right. I want to make the page from right to left. So I have a page layout list, and I have something called sheet right to left, from right to left. Just by clicking on it like this, it will make a move and make the names with me, the names. Columns have shifted left. If any column has unclear data, the username should be a university ID, which is incorrect. Click the separator. Column C is incorrect. Double-click the separator to adjust the column width. Double-click between columns D and A to adjust the width. Click column B and drag it. Click and drag to adjust the width, so data appears correctly. Sort names alphabetically to match the academic page. Column C is not correct. Double-click the separator to auto-adjust column size. Double-click between columns D and A to adjust width. Drag column B to adjust. Click and drag to correct data. Adjust names for accuracy. To sort names alphabetically, go to first name column. Use sort and filter in home tab. Sort data in column B. Or from here, click and drag to get the data in the correct format. Adjust the names to ensure accuracy. Now, if I want to sort the names to match the academic page, I go to the column labeled first name. This is the first column. I go to the home tab and click on the home menu to use sort and filter option. I want to sort the data. After selecting home, I choose column A or B. I choose column B because that's the first name I need. Then I go to sort and filter and select sort A to Z. I click it and a message appears. I just need to select the word sort from that message. I want to sort the names alphabetically, so I go to the column labeled first name. This column is obviously the first one. I go to the home tab and click on the home menu because I need to use the sort and filter option. I want to sort the data. After selecting home, I go to this column, column A or column B. I choose column B because that's the first name I need. Then I go to sort and filter and tell it to sort from A to Z. meaning I want an alphabetical order from A to Z. I click on it once with the mouse, and it will show me a message. In that message, I just need to select the word sort. Yes, arrange it for me. I tell him, yes, sort it for me. Click on the Sort button, and you will notice that it sorts the data alphabetically. First the letter A, then B, then C, and so on. This is the alphabetical order of the data without any issues regarding the grades. It will give me the complete order of the class, showing all the data. So, I was able to benefit from what? I downloaded the grading center to my computer and saved it as a new Excel file on my computer. I then proceed to go to the File menu option and carefully select the option Save As. I make the choice to save it in the Downloads folder on my device. But here I specifically specify the format for the file. I select the Excel format for saving and assign it a name, such as, for example, Report or Grading Center. For example, I write any section 330. For example, if this is my section, then now I have an Excel file here, which is the Grading Center 330. If I open it, it will be this file. It will be this file. So this is for the Grading Center. The Grade Center is very important and helps us with things like we can export it to Excel. A great feature of the Grade Center is that if I want to create a PDF report, I can select Create Report. I can name it Grade Center Report or Student Report. Set the date to today, include course info, mention advantages, choose all or specific students, select all users for all students. For specific users, select Dura and Huda with Control key. Selected Dura and Huda include Somaya and Shaza too. I put a name for the report, name it Grade Center Report or Student Report. Set PDF date to Deck 7, include course information like course name. Report for all or specific students. If I choose all users, it shows all students. If I choose specific users like Dura and Huda, click Dura, hold Control, click Huda. Selected Dura and Huda also include Somaya and Shaza. Then I scroll down. Do you want a report for all students or for specific students? I can come here. And if I say all users, it will give me all the students. But if I come here and say specific users, for example, I want to get Dura and Huda. I click on Dura and then hold down the Control key on the keyboard while clicking on Huda. I just want these two, so I've selected both Dura and Huda. Now, I also want to include Somaya and Shaza, so that's 4 students. And then I scroll down, so you want the report to show their first name, last name, university ID, university number, and last access. Okay, no problem. So you want to bring all the columns of the grading center for these 4 students, meaning all the tests, assignments, and everything. If you need all of them, I said just select all columns, but if you want specific columns, then we choose specific columns here. It will show me all the columns in the grade center. What do you need? The first assignment, the second assignment, the third assignment, or do you want everything? Okay, I will choose the first, second, and third assignments, and I will also select, for example, the midterm and the final exam. So I've selected these 5. If you want everything, you just need to check all columns. Then I can scroll down. If I want a signature line, I can include a signature line. If not, that's fine too. So we will create a signature line, add the date, and include the information. Then we can say preview. You see, if you click on preview, it will show me what. Okay, I can scroll down. If I want a signature line, I can include it. If not, that's fine. We'll create a signature line, add the date, and include the info. Then say preview. Clicking preview shows me the report and the student Somaya's assignments, exams, and grades. Let's scroll down. It also shows the signature line, report date, section, and course name. For the next student, Shaza, it shows her info and grade, and so on for selected students. From here, I can send it. Click send, then press Ctrl and P to print. It shows the report and student Somaya's details again. Scroll down. It shows the signature line, report date, section, and course name. For Shaza, it shows her info and grade and so on for selected students. From here, I can send it. Click send, then press Ctrl and P to print. I can save this as report 5 and say save. Now I have a report for each student showing their assignments and so on. This covers creating a report from within the report. Okay, the next student, Shaza, will show me her information and her grade and so on for the students I selected for the report. From here, I can send it. I click send, then I can press Ctrl and P on the keyboard to print. Then I can come and get this report. I can name it report 5 and say save. Now I have a report for each student showing what they did in the first, second, and third assignments and so on. This is regarding the part we covered about creating a report from within the report. These were the main things I wanted you to see and get familiar with in the Grade Center. With that, we have almost finished the section on reports, the dashboard, the tracking center, and the Grade Center. We looked at the users. That's pretty much the focus of our meeting today. I can come and get this report. such as an illustration of what I mean, I can name it report 5 and say save. Now I have a detailed report for each individual student showing exactly what they did in their first assignment, second assignment, third assignments respectively, and so on. This is regarding the part. We covered about creating a comprehensive report from within our existing reports. These were the most important things I wanted you to see and get familiar with in the Grade Center. With that, we have pretty much finished the section on reports, the dashboard, the tracking center, and the Grade Center. We looked at the users, and that's pretty much the focus of our meeting today. These are all simple things, and I hope they are clear to you. If there's anything that's not clear, or if you have any questions, whether about this part or any other part of Blackboard, I'm here for you if you have any questions.